Hey, I'm Ashley French and I'm here with Ryobi, and today we're going to show you how to switch out your old outdated thermostat for a new modern smart thermostat. So let's get started. This is a really simple and easy upgrade that anyone can do to their home. Not only is it going to give you more of a modern and sleek look, but you're also going to get extra smart home features like Bluetooth connectability, and you're also going to have your system running more efficiently. So the first step, it's very important, whenever you're dealing with electrical, you want to make sure you shut off your breaker, which we've already done. And so now we're going to go ahead and remove this old thermostat here. I just pulled off the faceplate, and I can see that we have 3 screws here. So I'm just going to use my Ryobi precision screwdriver, and we're going to get these out. So now that I've got the cover off, I can see my wires in here, and they're attached by small screws. I'm going to get those loosened up because we're going to need to attach those to the new smart thermostat. Now I'm going to switch to my USB lithium screwdriver, and we're going to remove these 2 larger screws here that are holding this onto the wall. Now we're going to use our long nose pliers, and I'm just going to pull the wires out away from the screws. All right, and this should pull right off. And then underneath, I can see we still have 2 more screws that are holding this plate to the wall, so we're going to go ahead and get that removed. Now we're ready to mount our smart thermostat, and they've made these so easy. It has a built-in level on it, and it's also color-coded, which is going to tell me exactly where each of the color wires needs to go. So first, we're just going to get our wires, feed it through the center here, and then I'm going to grab my screw here and my USB lithium screwdriver. We're going to grab our second screw and get that installed. Now once we have that attached to the wall, this part is really easy. Right here on the side, it gives me the color wire that I need to attach into the clamp. I'm going to start with the yellow wire here. I'm just pushing the clamp down, putting the wire in its place, and I can feel it grab on. And we're just going to keep going with each color. And then for us, we are actually going to skip the OB because we do not have a wire for that one. So now that we have our wires connected, we're going to attach the smart thermostat, which is so easy because it just clicks right into place. All right, so with most smart thermostats, the process of setting it up is finished on the app. So we're going to grab our smartphone and we're going to finish getting this set up, and then we'll be done. So there you have it. This is such a simple and easy way to update your home. Not only is it going to increase your efficiency, but it's also going to give you those smart home features like the ability to control the thermostat from your phone. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe. I'm Ashley French, and I'll see you guys next time.